You can now finally stake your Solana and earn native Bitcoin. The BTC protocol on Solana allows you to stake the SOL token and earn native Bitcoin or ZBTC. Along with an upcoming airdrop, BTC SOL gives you organic exposure to Bitcoin and allows you to earn staking rewards passively. This is a super simple and effective way to begin earning Bitcoin rewards. Let's take a look. BTC SOL just launched and it is powered by the Zeus network on Solana. And it's super simple. You stake your Solana and you earn Bitcoin. And here's a diagram explaining how it all works. You deposit either SOL or MSOL token, you receive an equivalent BTC SOL token, and in turn you can receive either Bitcoin or ZBTC token. You're free to accumulate the BTC however you'd like, and if you want to unstake, your BTC SOL is then converted back to your original SOL or MSOL. And the BTC SOL protocol does have a pending airdrop. So the more you stake, the higher your airdrop will be. And it does show as being an early staker, one of the early protocols to earn this airdrop. This has a lot of potential. And the website is btcsol.co, and you would click on the enter the game section and you are presented with the staking window. So you're able to deposit either SOL or MSOL. So make sure you have some in your Solana wallet. I'm going to go ahead and deposit 0.2. And when I deposit some SOL, I'll receive the equivalent of BTC SOL. And when rewards are paid out, I have the option of choosing either native BTC or ZBTC, which is sort of a wrapped Bitcoin on the Solana network. Keep in mind, ZBTC does carry less fees when you withdraw those rewards, and ZBTC is a Solana token, so you can always convert that ZBTC into something like Solana or even USDC, or you could always just do a cross-chain swap on something like ThorSwap and convert the ZBTC into native Bitcoin. Again, it all depends on whether you want native Bitcoin as your reward or ZBTC. It's up to you. So once I'm happy with this, I'm gonna go ahead and click stake, and I am presented with this warning window. To qualify for BTC rewards, please maintain a suggestion portion of 1 BTC SOL. So the website is warning you to be eligible for native Bitcoin rewards, you should at least stake 1 minimum Solana token to earn native Bitcoin. So keep that in mind when you're staking. You should probably deposit at least 1 real Solana token. So after this tutorial, I'm going to go back and deposit a whole Solana token. Let's click on I understand and still want to proceed, and we'll confirm in our wallet. Great, and that was successfully staked. And under the My Position tab, we do see the status as processing. Cool. And if you hover over here, you do see the accumulation rate, which is essentially the APR rate, is at 5.5% as staking rewards. And you'll also see the rewards claim window here. So here you'll be able to claim either your BTC or ZBTC. There is a FAQ section towards the bottom here, including when can we claim ZBTC or BTC. And it states accumulation occurs multiple times throughout the day on a variable schedule. You can claim your distribution in ZBTC or BTC daily after 00 UTC. So I definitely recommend you go over some of these guidelines if you have any questions when it comes to staking. Cool, and there you have it, a straightforward way to stake your Solana and earn native Bitcoin. The BTC SOL protocol is definitely revolutionizing the restaking features on Solana. Finally, we have something that's competitive on the Solana network that is similar to something like wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. So what do you think about the BTC SOL protocol? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.